I just want to confirm what you saw was true. Only 1,388 miles, although it's a couple different there on the what's listed. Thank you, Mad Beats Music. Because even though there's no bows, you still got a nice premium sound system. Now, if I put the vehicle in reverse, you have a three-way backup camera, 3 different angles right there you can use. Rear cross traffic alert, or push that over if you prefer to look at the sensor look right there. Push it back in park. You got ventilated seats, heated seats, 3 different levels, as well as a heated steering wheel. Right here on the right-hand side of your steering wheel, next to your Honda Suite of Safety. On the right-hand side is the Honda Suite of Safety. The left-hand side, you press the home icon. That's going to activate your multi-informational display. You just scroll with this little scroll, push it in, and that'll select your selection. Push that 2 times, and that'll open up both of your side doors. You have a manual sunshade here. You go to zoom that out just a tad. Power sliding moonroof. Conversation mirror to make conversation with your back 2 rows, or press the home icon here, scroll, go to CabinWatch, and now you have a PA system that you can use to talk to your rear passengers. This is called CabinWatch, so if someone's back here, they can hear you. If you have a lower voice or you want to speak a little bit louder to your rear passengers, CabinWatch. Press the home icon, it goes away. You also have hidden storage here. You also have a hidden storage compartment here. You hook up on the left-hand side where your USB-A is. That's your multimedia port for your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The right-hand side's for high-speed charging. You got a standard outlet right there, and then a cigarette lighter adapter outlet right there. This is the 2026 Platinum White Pearl, fully loaded Honda Odyssey Elite here at Tracy Honda. 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304. I'm trying to do the best I can, but we were just in that driver's side right there for a while. Go to our playlist. The playlist will show you how to drop this down. You do need 2 hands to do it. Once you drop that down, you can release that there. Once you release that right there, you can pull this out, and then you can use the magic slide. See how it wants to slide? So you can do that, and those 2 seats, the 2 outer seats, will have different positions they can use. Speaking of the second row, you also have high-speed USB-C for your second row right here. Pull this right there. Get you into your third row, which also comes with privacy shades. So whether you use the remote, whether you use the handle, whether you use that button, plenty of ways for you to see. So let me just go ahead and turn on these headlights just so you can see these headlights as well. Turn on the flashers so you can see how everything works from front to back. Slight privacy smoked windows there. There's your flashers and your running lights. Elite badging. New registration coming to you, which is going to be fantastic. Having 2027 registration. You have 3 different options you can use. Actually 4. You can fold this flat. You can tuck this. You can use it like this, where you pull out these headrests. It's a called tailgate mode. You also, for your third row, have high-speed USB-Cs on either end, and you also have right there. You have volume control on both sides, as you can see. So you can use like this. You give it a little bit more elbow grease right there, and then it can fold flat for your stow and go. And that's just some things that I wanted to show you. So there's your wraparound. Vehicle's in fantastic shape. It's a certified vehicle. There's a link to pricing in the description. That'll get you updated pricing. This one's listed at $1,386, why I updated the miles. You have until September 29, 2032, or 100,000 miles on the odometer for a nationwide powertrain warranty. You also have all these certified features and benefits listed at $51,000. Go to that link in the description. It'll take you to current pricing. Well, there's your Platinum White Pearl, fully loaded walk around and interior look of this Honda Odyssey. Don't forget to come on down here to Tracy Honda. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.